What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into the video, I always want to make sure that I tell everyone to like, comment, share, subscribe. Get all the subscribers up, followers, likes up. It helps a lot. You lot don't know how much it helps just doing those simple clicks. So yeah, tell a friend, all that good stuff. So today I actually have a trainer which I've wanted for a long time and I didn't really get, just because I always bought something else, or I just kind of overstepped them, or whatever you want to call it. I just looked past them, overlooked them, whatever. I just said nah. But now I decided, I think my voice just broke there, damn. But now I've decided to actually pull the trigger and actually get them, which is funny because I've spent a lot more money on a lot worse shoes, or whatever you want to say, but I'm waffling a bit too much. But the first time ever on my channel, Christian Louboutin Paris. So before buying these, I like to watch videos of trainers and stuff, trainers, sneakers, footwear, whatever you want to call it. I like watching unboxing videos, and if I'm honest, they were terrible. So I'm going to try and make the best Christian Louboutin unboxing video review on foot on YouTube. That's a bold statement, but I'm going to try to do it. So it's got the classic brown box. It's got the Christian Louboutin on in white, and it says Paris. Then on one side it just says Louboutin. I don't know if I'm saying it right or not. If I'm not, then just leave me alone. Then it says Louboutin. It's got a Louboutin sticker there. This sticker looks quite off. Yeah, I have to say that. So this sticker looks quite off. It just doesn't look right to me. I will be getting these double checked. They are authentic, but I just want to make sure that they are 1,000,000% authentic. I have bought them from a reputable store, so I don't see why they won't be authentic. I've done the legit check on the actual trainer. They look good. It says $5.45. I actually paid $5.75 for them, so that's an old sticker. So this could be an old sticker as well. This is an old sticker, most definitely. Size 9, Europe 43, as it says there as well, 43. And they're called, I don't know if this is the Louis or the Louis Junior Flat. The material is calf and the color is black on black. There's the style codes and whatever you want to call it. So the Junior Flat, they're called the Junior Flat because they're the low top version of the Junior. So yeah, so they're the flat ones, the low top, whatever. As always, Louboutins do come with spare laces, so those are there in the dust bag. And I think this is the only company that actually do them in dust bags. Should I just take them out? Wouldn't be able. If I take them out, I won't be able to put them back in properly. But you know what? I'll do it anyway for you people. There we go. Some plain black laces. That wasn't really too exciting. Nice dust bag, proper quality dust bag. Just, sometimes brands can make these a little bigger, man. Just make it a little bigger so that I don't have to fight them. Another dust bag which I won't use. So the Christian Louboutin Paris dust bag. Dust bags that I don't really use, if I'm honest. So there it is. That's that. That's all the boring stuff. And it's got standard tissue paper, which I've normally had on like Giuseppe's, Valentino's. So it is a bit more of a high end. It's not a Nike paper. But let's just get to the shoe, man. There we go. Let's just take the middle bit out. Dash that to the side. Christian Louboutin Louis or Louis Low. There we go. These on first look, like when I opened the box, I thought, oh, is that it? But then again, I am going for a more you know, grown man, mature type of look. So I did want to get a plain pair first, and if I was happy with these, I would, you know, start buying the pairs with the spikes here, different colors. These definitely for me at the moment, I don't regret. Maybe the ones with the spikes here, but I wanted to be happy with, you know, just a plain pair. Plus, my intention for buying these, I wanted to be a person who wear these trainers with like suits and stuff. If I'm going to a wedding, I hate wearing like smart shoes, loafers. So these definitely will be something for like weddings, birthdays, you know, get together, stuff like that. A nice clean shoe. So it is a very nice leather. It's just a calf leather, so very smooth there. You can see the stitching perfectly done in a line. So you do know how to tell that they are legit. It'll be nice, perfect stitching. This is more of a not a legit check, but I just do want to just point out certain things. So yeah, so plain black kind of toe cap on top. So I do think there's a bit of leather underneath, etc. Then nice clean all the way to the back. Then there's the back tab, the heel. It has a little leather. It's like a bump or something, and then it's got the kind of pull tab. And what I did like, or I did notice, is it does have padding. It's not the most padding, if I'm honest. It is padded though, so it won't really kill the back of your heel, as I do sometimes. My heel gets absolutely battered if I don't have any padding or anything. So on the inside here, so it's got little 2 air holes, and on the top it's just standard laces. I do understand lace quality isn't too great. Like, they are okay, but you know, they do feel like if I pull them a bit too hard or a bit too they'll just start like fraying, etc. So I have had laces like these in other trainers, so I do think that will start fraying, which I don't want that to happen. But the best bit, and literally the only reason we buy these trainers, is the bottom. Look at that. So obviously it says Louboutin, and on the heel it says made in Italy. A lot of pairs, they either say made in Italy or made in EU. That's not a way to tell if they're real or fake. So if you did want to know that, do not just use that. A lot of times, you know, I'll probably make another video. I'll probably try to source a fake pair or something, or you know, put the word out on social media that I need a fake pair for a comparison, so I can actually show people the fakes. So a lovely, you know, the Louboutin, shiny. That's lovely, and it's a beautiful red. I really like that red. So I am quite, you know, excited, as it is my first pair of Louboutin trainers, sneakers, whatever you want to call them. So it's not the whole sole, like people say, oh, soles are red. Yeah, the soles are red, but not the complete sole. So it is quite a lot of it, and I think it's better like that. It's just crazy how someone can make, you know, trainers with red at the bottom, and all of a sudden, you know, they're amazing, etc. So I do like these. So on first look, they are quite nice. They are quite plain at the same time. So if you are a person who doesn't like plain stuff, I'd say these are the most boring Louboutins you can buy. Don't buy them. If you want a plain type, you know, weddings, get-togethers, I think this could be an excellent pair for you to purchase. You know, just your first pair, very just a standard pair, to be honest, just plain, literally nothing fancy about them apart from the sole, nothing too flashy. I do know myself, I mean, my friends do know me as the kind of flashy friend, so if I wear these, they'll be thinking, what's going on? So I definitely do want to get some colorways with, you know, kind of spikes on them, etc. So I was 50-50 about them, but like as I've started talking about them and as just looking at the trainers, I actually think they are, you know, quite good. They did come with a lot of, so look, you know, protection, whatever. So little, I've never seen that before on trainers. I have seen it on certain things like Giuseppe Zips, etc., but never here. I can also show, like, might as well do that, innit? It looks a bit better. Maybe I can get my thumbnail. I think that's a good thumbnail. That looks so good. The sole just pops. I really do want a pair, like a black pair with just spikes, or I do know there's black pairs with like a bit of a different material here, so it'll be like a mesh type or a carbon fiber type here, and then they'll still be just plain black, but just a bit more fancy than the boring old black. I did forget to mention the inside, so the insole Christian Louboutin Paris, and it does say the size there, so it's 43, which is a UK 9. I'd recommend, I should have gone a size up, purely because 10 is my size, but 9 I like to buy that size because I think 10 looks a bit funny. So I'd recommend true to size, but I do say to try them on in a store. I might get a 10, but I don't want them to look like clown feet, so I might not. So I do like buying a 9 and just, you know, wearing the 9. Don't judge me, please, people, man. But yeah, I really do like them. A very nice quality pair. I don't know how they feel on foot yet. I have heard they are comfortable. They don't look the most comfortable, so that's me judging a book by its cover. So they are, they can be 50-50. I won't be walking around in these. 100% will not be walking around in these. So that's just my personal preference. So it'll just be a thing to go out, dinners, weddings, etc. You know, more sit-down events where they just look good. I also will not be taking pictures with my foot up so the sole shows. I won't be doing that. I do quite like the high tops. I am a high top person, and I think if you're a high top person, buy the high tops. I think they look so much better. But me also, I'm high tops and low tops, but low tops work better on weddings, outings. So I got these. Maybe I'll buy high top black ones with, you know, just spikes here. I might buy low top ones with spikes as well. I don't think there's anything else that I've missed out that I want to really go through in the video. I kind of did do this without you know, any planning or anything, as I always do. But as always, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and yeah, come on, people, man, let's get some more subscribers, etc. Tell me if you found this useful, and if you do have any questions at all, you can always comment below. Reach me on the socials, any of that stuff. I'll always be happy to help. If I don't see your message, please do not abuse me. Just, you know, send me another one or something, and hopefully I'll see it. I don't ignore people, etc. But yeah, tell me if you like them, people. Tell me if you'll buy them. Tell me how you think they are. Yeah, take care, people. Thank you very much for watching.